Hello everyone, here's the latest in my series of birds in flight. This time we've got a murder of crows in flight. Now when I first posted the design for this, my friend Jody, who is also a mosaic artist, pointed out what a nightmare it would be to go through all these spindly bits. And of course it was, but I felt that the splaying of the wing was very important to add to the sinister nature of it, give it a bit of menace. But as usual with my work, they're not that menacing really. They're quite funny, and they're cawing as they fly. The use of the dichromatic glass in the fronds and under the tummy really helps to give colour to what is otherwise quite a monochromatic piece. And of course the yellow eyes really sing out from that black. As usual, I've written a verse to accompany this piece, and it goes like this. A murder of crows in flight. Moody in their film noir, shadowy show, Hitchcockian memories of Du Maurier grow. A shiver down one's spine, and everyone knows just how scary are a murder of crows.